Hey, what is going on everyone? This is our reviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iPad apps. In this video, I will show you guys my favorite iPad apps for 2020. Now these are apps that I use the most on my iPad. Most of them I use daily, of course, to complete different tasks on my iPad, and of course they are very useful. So let's get started. Here's a list of my favorite iPad apps for 2020. The first app for the video is called Video Shop, and this is a video editing app with a ton of features. It has a lot of features, a lot of tools, which make this a complete video editor. Just like you have one on your PC, now you can have one on your iPad with all the features that you need. Now, of course, from the home here, you can go ahead and load any of the videos that you have on your camera roll. Here I have one already loaded, so let's just go ahead and try to edit this video. So here is the video. From here, I can do a bunch of stuff. I can resize the video. So if I tap right there, you can see I have the video here and I can resize it for like different formats. So for YouTube, for the iPhone, or like for Instagram, and of course I can just go ahead and pinch in and out here to resize the video. Now it will have a white background there, but if you go here, you can add that like blur there, which of course will reflect the video, or you can add any other color that you want. That's of course really great. You can go to trim, and from here you can trim, you can cut, or you can split the video. Of course you will have this like cursor here that you can move anywhere you want on the video, and then you can do all the splitting and all that from here. So just tap right there and you're good to go. You can see it will split the video, and of course you can also move clips right here. Then you can also add text, different text to video, so you can just go ahead and tap here to edit like the place where you want to add the text. So the timeline here, double tap right there and you will be able to edit the text. So let's just get out of here. And then of course you will have other tools as well, like filters. You can go ahead and add like different filters. So you will have some pro ones, but you will also have a ton of ones that are totally free. You can see right here, looks pretty cool. And then of course you can add stickers, you can change the speed, you can reverse the video, you can rotate it, you can flip the video. Basically everything can be done on a video using this app. Then once you're done, you just tap right there, and what it does is that it will add a watermark on your video if you're using the free version. So if you tap here save to camera roll, it will save it, but it will add a watermark which also can be removed for individual videos by looking at an ad. The next one for the video is PreCalc Lite. Now this is a calculator app for the iPad. Of course you might need one, and as you probably know, the iPad doesn't come with a stock calculator app. Now this is very interesting. I don't know why Apple does this. You have one of course on the iPhone and on the Apple Watch, but you cannot have one on your iPad. But with PreCalc Lite you will have it, and as you can see it looks really amazing. It has all the features you need. Of course the simple calculator, the scientific one, and then up top right there will have other features as well. So if you tap to that A and B right there, you can go ahead and also use this calculator app to convert like different stuff. So if you tap right there, it will convert this number. So if I tap right there 88, I can tap on centimeters and I can go ahead and then just go ahead and convert that from that. So you can see you will have like length, speed, temperature, volume, and weight. All of these can be converted using this app. So you can just add any number you want. Of course you can calculate this, but you can also go ahead and convert that from here. Now the next app for the video is called Compressor, and this one allows you to basically compress videos and pictures, make them smaller in size. So here we have a list of things that it can do. Right there at the top you will see that banner which shows the disk free space right there, and of course it will show you your battery percentage and the remaining like hours that you can run your iPad on that battery. And then you will have here different things that you can do. You can compress videos, compress photos, clean similar pictures, and then you will see all the memory and all that, basically all the statistics for your iPad. So if we go to compress video, we just choose a video from the camera roll. So here I just chose a video that was like 94 megabytes, and you can compress this. You can just set the rate here. So let's just go ahead and go with 50%, tap on go. and now it will go ahead and compress that video. And as you can see right here, the video was 94 megabytes and now is 48 megabytes, so half the size. And if you tap right here, you can go ahead and preview that video. And what you will notice here is that it will resize it. You can see right here how it was before, how it is now, but the quality is still kind of there. So if you just like keep these videos to play on your iPad, not like on a 4K display or something like that, then this would be like enough. If you have like low storage on your iPad or even iPhone, then you can use this app to compress your videos. The next app for the video is Unsplash, and when it comes to wallpapers for the iPad and iPhone as well, this is one of my favorite apps that I use to get wallpapers for my iPad. So right here you can see the interface is very nice and simple. You will have a search bar right there, and then you can show here new photos, or you can just explore different themes. So you will have like different categories of stuff that you can go ahead and explore here and find, of course, some really beautiful wallpapers for your iPad. Now once you open a wallpaper, you will see at the top right there the name of the artist. You can tap right there to explore more wallpapers from that artist. You can see these are really beautiful, and if you tap right there, once again you will have this little arrow which allows you to download that wallpaper to the camera roll of your device. Now if we go back here on the home screen, you will see that if we switch to new photos, you will see some really nice wallpapers that have been added recently, and you can go ahead and of course just tap on one of them and just drag it down there to download it to your device. As easy as that, you can get any one of these beautiful wallpapers for your iPad. The next app for the video is called Multitimer, and I really love this one because it allows you to set multiple timers at the same time. So you will have like 6 timers here, which you can of course just tap to start any one of them, and from here you can just double tap to reset them. You can of course play and pause them. Now you have the timers here which are preset, but of course you can tap and hold one of them and you can change it. So you can change their color here. You can enable or disable auto repeat, and over time you can set here the label as well as the icon and the alert right there. And of course you can change the minutes of the timer right here. Now you can just tap to start any one of these timers. You can tap once again to pause, or you can double tap to reset the timer. Now the first app I showed you guys in this video was a video editing app, and now we have a photo editing app. Now this is Snapseed from Google, and it's basically, in my opinion, one of the best photo editing apps that you can get on the App Store. Of course, it's very simple to use and it's totally free. So on the iPad, once you go to the landscape mode, right here on the right side, you will see all the different filters that you can use and of course apply to your pictures. Once you do that, you just tap the check mark right there to apply that to your picture, and then you can tap that little pencil right there and it will show you this panel with all the different tools that you can use, of course, using Snapseed. So you will have, of course, a ton of things, from tuning the image where you will find all the brightness and all that stuff right here. So if you go to adjust, you can go ahead and change from the contrast to saturation and all that. So you can see you can move between any one of them, and then you can move like this. You can see right there what you're changing. Tap like this. So let's go to contrast. You can see contrast there, then just move like to the left or to the right to change that. That's really cool. And of course you will have other tools as well. So you will see like from white balance to crop to details, text. You can add text to the picture, and all that stuff. So you will see all these beautiful text, all this like presets here that you can use. Very cool, and of course very useful if you like to basically edit pictures or stories for your like Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, whatever you need. Then Snapseed is the app to go. Free, totally free, and it offers a bunch of tools that you can use to edit your pictures. Now, if you're a big sports fan, then ESPN is the app for you. You will have basically everything you need here. From the news to the scores of your favorite teams, everything will be here in one place. So this is the home screen of the app, which features a search bar right there. We can search for any topic that you want, and of course it will show you all the latest news, all the latest results, and all that. Right here on the left side, you will see the top headlines. You will see the news regarding your favorite teams and your favorite leagues as well. So everything will be here on the left side. And then on the right side, you will have all the scores and the schedules for your favorite teams and favorite sports. So you can see right here, you will find all the different schedules and the scores as well. Now you will have here your favorites. You can of course tap right there to add, so you can choose different like sports leagues or like even players and all that stuff. So let's just finish this. If you go to watch, then you will see here some featured videos and originals as well that you can watch within the app, and that's of course pretty amazing. If you go here to more, then you will see basically your settings. You will see here what you have on your favorites. You have all like the teams, different teams and different sports and different leagues that you can add to your favorites. And then of course, based on your favorites, you will also see feeds right here on the home screen of the app. And last but not least is a weather app called Today Weather, and this is my favorite weather app. It is free and it has a bunch of details and also forecasts for a lot of days. So this is the home screen where of course you will find your current location or any city that you add. Now if you want to add more cities and switch between them, you can just tap right there at the top right corner and you can go ahead and add another city, and you can of course switch between them. Now right here on the home screen, you will see the current temperature, of course the highs and the lows, and then you will see the details regarding the weather as well. Now if you tap on that little arrow, you will see a forecast for the next 16 days, and of course you will have here the date, the highs and the lows, and of course the details as well regarding the weather. Now lower here you will also find the forecast, the hourly forecast for the next 24 hours. Right here we'll also see the forecast for the next 10 days. Lower here we'll have the chance of perception, and then right here we'll also see the air quality index. Really cool. And then you will see here the sunrise, the sunset, the winds, and also a radar right here. So pretty cool. You will have all these details on a free app, so everything you need to know about the weather will be right here. So that is it for this video, guys. These are my favorite iPad apps of 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the apps and found them useful. Go ahead and leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. And again, if you want to download any of these apps, make sure you check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there.